yo, that means excuse me. A little polite, as it should be. Jokey, yo, excuse me. As should be. Jokey, yo, excuse me. Then you say, oh, the is so yo. It means, where is this place? I need to go use this phrase. Now you're halfway there. Let's learn some spots to go anywhere. L-O-D is oh yo, where is it? E-O-D is oh yo. E-O-D is oh yo, I need to know. Yo for school, let's go. Shikdan means restaurant time. Jihacho yup for subway line. If you're lost now, don't despair. Just say O-D-E and get there. It's easy, let's all sing along. You'll find your way before too long. O-D is oh yo. In the bathroom, say 화장실 어디. Cafe, try copy O-D. Just ask, listen and follow the sound. Now you know how to get around. Do O-D is oh yo, I need to know. Unhang if you need some dough. So jump is where books are found. Got one if you're feeling down. E-O-D is oh yo, where is it? E-O-D is oh yo. If you lost now, don't despair. Just say O-D and get there. It's easy, let's all sing along. You'll find your way before too long. Learning's fun, just give it a try. You're ready to navigate, my oh my. O-D is oh yo, I need to know. Now you're ready, go with